Hey, so just a really quick learning that I've had that I just thought I'd share with you real quick. So, yesterday I was in a Zoom call where Ali Abdul, I think it's Ali Abdal. Is that how you pronounce his name? Anyway, he was showing off some really cool tech. And I found myself thinking, oh, I totally need to include that tech in my portfolio, my gear, my what have you. I notice I've done this an awful lot, that every time I see something really cool, I think, oh, I need to include that in my repertoire, in my arsenal, in my recordings. Thing is, oftentimes when I do this, I never end up using the tech. I just kind of buy it going, oh, that's cool, and then never use it. So, for example, let me show you. So I've got this. Yeah, I have this cool green screen that allows me to just kind of do a talking head thing, I guess, and I can put some things back there. I can do all kinds of stuff. Thing is, I never have. I spent a lot of money on the green screen, on setting up the second camera, so on and so forth, and yet you never see it. All you see is this. Now, this is pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with it. But man, I mean, that's just one example of the many, many times that I've gone down this sort of gear tech, I need to add that feature to my videos rat hole. So, you know what? Slow down. If you see something cool, all right, that's fine, but think about how you would use it first. And before you invest the gear, try to figure out how to use what you have currently to meet that feature, to provide that functionality. And then if it works and if it's something you want to add to your own repertoire, to your own arsenal of tools, if you will, then you can go ahead and invest in the real thing. But you know what? Better to perfect what you have first before you go adding on features and functionality that you end up never using in the first place. All right, so there you go. Thanks for joining. We'll talk again soon.